Some little Demitasse coffee cups and saucers to show you in the Royal Doulton Camelot. There's the classic late 20th century marks, Camelot TC1016, copyright Doulton & Co Limited. Nice little cups, what we call Demitasse or small cups, much smaller than the teacups. Plain rims with nice gilt retention and then side gilt decoration down each side of the handle, nothing around the base plate. They're in absolute mint condition. Don't think they've had much use during their probably 30 or 40 years. These are the little saucers, smaller than the teacup or soup cup saucers, so do be aware if you're looking at these, make sure that you're buying the right ones for the small diameter of the Demitasse coffee cups. Again, these have got matching marks, TC1016, late 20th century. 6 of them available. We have got the full coffee set available with a coffee pot, the small sugar basin and the small quarter pint milk or cream jug for the coffee set are being listed, came out of the same lot. And the coffee pot's quite a nice looking thing. Could be used as a teapot as well, but it's obviously designed for the coffee set. These are available from the Vintage and Antiques website. A set of 6 is available to purchase at the point of listing, but they are being sold individually for the replacement market. So if you just want 1 or 2 of these or specific bits of Royal Doulton Camelot that you're looking for, we've got 4 cartons of mixed Royal Doulton Camelot available. So we're likely to have the set or pieces for replacement that you're looking for. Do have a look on the website. Thanks for watching.